Should I bring him up?
Yeah, bring him up and let's ask him.
He keeps sitting up. No.
There is someone here called Sarah. She keeps saying it's her friend and she got hacked. If you can bring her up.
Okay.
It's like an Amharic.
Wait. Belly, thank you so much. Wait.
Okay.
Here. Manu, the Simmental?
There is her name is Sarah.
Bengalizinian?
Wait.
Bengalizinian?
Wait, let me mention for you. So she said it's her friend.
Hey, ladies.
She got hacked. Hi.
Hey.
አማን ነህ?
አቤት እንዴት ናችሁ?
እግዚአብሔር ይመስገን።
አለን። እግዚአብሔር ይመስገን። ክብሩ ይስፋ።
እግዚአብሔር ይመስገን። አባቴ እግዚአብሔር ይመስገን።
Did you see this one? Yeah, okay, you brought her. Thank you. ሰላም ሳራ።
ልሻለኝ አላት የሆነ ሊንክ ላኪና ሊንክ ላከና እንችላላት ቆይ በኋላ ስትነካው
just 1 minute. ታውቂያታለሽ? ሜሪ የሚለውን አካውንት ታውቂዋለሽ?
ቅድስት
አቤት።
አዎ ጓደኛዬ ናትና አካውንት ልሽጥልሽ ብሏት ነው ሀገ ያደረጋት። ኮይን ልሽጥልሽ ብሎ ነው ሀገ ያደረጋት። የጓደኛዬ ነው።
Oh, okay. She said it's her friend's account and he said he wanted to sell for her coin and he hacked her.
አንተ ሌባ ከፈት ያንተ ማይክሮፎን ምንድነው?
ሌባ block him.
ምንድነው?
ሰርቋት ነው የጓደኛዬ ነው። ኮይን ልሙላልሽ ብሎ ሰርቋት ነው።
ስንት ኮይን አለሽ?
Yeah, it got hacked.
ብሩን የወሰደባት ቅድስት ብሩን የወሰደባት ብሩን ያስከፈላት
he even took her money like he
ብሩን ያስከፈላት
ስንት ገንዘብ ነው?
ስንት ነው የወሰደባት ማለት?
ወደ ብዙ ነው ብሩ ብዙ ብር ነው የተሰረቀችው። ለቤቴ ብዙ ብር ነው የወሰደባት ያስከፈለ በባንክ ላኪ ብሎ ከላከች በኋላ ነው ሞላልሻለሁ ብሎ ሀግ ያደረጋት።
Oh my god. She said he told her like he's gonna sell for her coin like TikTok coins and he asked her to send money and then he took the money and he hacked her account. That's what she said. Yeah.
በዶላር ወደ 300 ምናምን ዶላር ወሰደባት።
like $300.
እና ሌባ ነው ተጠንቀቁ። እሺ ከሱ ኮይን እንዳገዙ።
እሺ ማትሽ
ልግዛ እያለ ነው የሚወስደው። እሺ ማበቃ አስወጭኝ እናቴ አስወጭኝ ውዴ።
She said he
ይሄ በጣም ነው የምወድሽ እኔ ቆንጆ።
I think you gave me a good serious. You're weird.
ችግር የለም እኔ ቆንጆ ወድሻለሁ። እሺ እናቴ
ወድሻለሁ።
እናመሰግናለን ሳራዬ። ቴንክ ዩ ማሪ።
እሺ እናቴ
ወይኔ
አስወጪ ማሚዬ አስወጪ።
እንትን ባክለሽ
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Can manish befit I'm trying to know like the sim ገባኝ አማርኛ አልችልም ግን
Amharic but the name says Mary. She's a fan of you and Alex. Like she always
I know any follow us and any follow like who let meto so bitch that's lemon like
yeah. She's a fan of you both. Like she's always there to support you guys. And I think she wanted to buy maybe like a coin from him and then he hacked her account. He even took her money. That's what she said, like $300.
Lemon, like guys, when coin like to fill it out, like about no Belila Harker to like coin.
Yeah, because sometimes they don't have like cards, so they just buy from somebody. They will give them their password, and then this person will put for them, and then they will out him from the account. Yeah. So for now, Mary have no account until she open a new one. I think that's what she said, her friend.
Like serious, like $300 like በዝኖ like until like hack ትፈልጋለች $300 ማለት ህይወት ነው። $300 ብቻ በስመ አብ ምንድነው?
Maybe he just wanted to fool the rest of the fans because you know we know her, we followed her.
No, like ምንድነው? Like አመስቀኑ he comments like here she's coming now. He comments like ብዙ ጊዜ like ይሄ comment ነው አመስቀኑ አንተ ምንድነው? ምን ትፈልጋለህ? አንተ follow ትፈልጋለህ? ውጣ ቆሻሻ።
Wait. Let's ask him if he will return it to her.
No, he wants like follow ትፈልጋለህ.
Okay.
That's why he come. Like he come and he go mute. Like this is making me so angry. That made me so angry. I don't like hackers. Like አስጠላናችሁ. Serious. ወይኔ ግዴ አሁን የት ነሽ ግን? Like yes, what's up, Alish?
I don't know.
When I bring him to talk, tell him to open his mic.
Okay.
Like stop muting yourself and speak.
Mary ተናገር ለምንድን ነው የምታደርገው?
እንዴ ሳውራ ታስወጡኛላችሁ አስር እንዴ ወይ በስራት አለር
ለምን ሰረካት? መልስላት አካውንቷን
ያማቸዋል እንዴ
Tell him to return her money. Tell him return her money.
ብሩን መልስላት አካውንቷን መልስ።
ምን ወሬ ነው የምታወሩት? $300 ምናምን ነው የምትሉት ያማቸዋል እንዴ?
መልስላት አካውንቱን ብሩን መልስላት ሰውዬ።
ሴትዮ ዝም እስቲ መጀመሪያ አንቺ እባክሽ
አንተ ዝም በል ቆሻሻ አይነት ሰው ነህ
ወሬኝ
መንገድ ሰው ነህ
ስማታ
ቆሻሻ get out. Oh my god, he like ሰዎች ናችሁ in the bio says Xavier Fikr ነው serious with the hate like ጭንቅላት really and until now you live and you see Xavier መስኪን እንዴት ነሽ Xavier መስኪን ምን አይነት ሰው ነህ ግን? Are you serious? Winnie, Ethiopia ወንዶች please some ወንዶች like ትንሽ ወንዶች እባካችሁ like ያንተ ጭንቅላት please fix it. This is so bad. Like for $300? Oh my god.
There is even one here, she said in the comment that he also told her like he's working online and he's a